Number 2 says, Burbank High School put on their annual musical. The students sold 650 tickets for a value of $4,375. If orchestra seats cost $750 and balcony seats cost $350, how many of each kind of seat were sold? So again, this is really in this section because anytime you have two unknowns, you're trying to find two different pieces of information, then a system of equations is the best way to go. So let's kind of highlight our information. We know that there's 650 tickets total. We know the total value was this amount, and we know the cost for each kind was there. And again, usually the last sentence or the last part of the sentence tells you what they're looking for, and this says how many of each kind were sold. So that's what I'm going to define my variables to be. So let's let x be the hashtag number of orchestra seats, and let y be the number of balcony seats. Okay, so I need to make two different equations. So I'm going to make an equation that talks about how many tickets, or you could say seats, either way. And then I'm going to make a money equation. So the seats, or the tickets, I know I have X, and I know I have Y. I don't know what they are, that's what they're asking. But I do know that together, they have to be 650. So there's 650 total. So I don't know what X is, I don't know what Y is, but if I add them together, I know it has to be 650. And then the money, I know that it's 750 for an X ticket, so I multiply by X, plus 350 for a Y ticket, so I multiply it. And I know the total money was this. So that's equal to 4,375. So that is my system of equations. So now I just need to solve it. You can solve by elimination, you can solve by graphing. I'm going to solve by substitution. So I'm going to isolate the blue y. You could isolate another variable if you wanted to. And I'm going to plug that in here. So I'm going to copy the green equation. Oops. So then, instead of y there, I want to plug in the other equation. So 650 minus x. And then I want to solve. So this is going to be 750x plus 2,275 minus 3.50x is equal to 4,375. And if I combine these, then I'm going to get 4x plus 2,275 is equal to 4,375. I want to move that 2,000 over. So 4x is equal to 2,100 divided by 4, and x is equal to 525. And then I want to plug that into here for the other one. So y is equal to 650 minus x, but I know what x is, it's 525. So y is equal to 125. And we can't forget to label our answers, so it's going to be 525, these were orchestra seats, and 125 balcony seats. And that would be our answer.